Passion. Your passion could be baseball, basketball, or football. My passion is horses, and I believe it doesn't get the respect that it deserves. Over 100 times I have been told horseback riding is not a sport and that it's just a little girl's hobby. Does a hobby require you to practice 7 days a week, 4 hours at a time with a 1,200-pound animal? Does a hobby require you to risk your life? I've been told that I'm silly to think that it belongs in the ranks of such sports such as football, basketball, or baseball. Do you know what was ranked as the toughest sport in the Summer Olympics? Equestrian. It is also ranked as one of the most dangerous sports in the world and one of the toughest. Over 100 times I have been told I am not an athlete, I have no skill, it takes no strength, and that what I do is just easy. Tell me if you can remember all of this. Heels down, toes up, calves back, eyes up, chin up, legs back straight, shoulders back, hands low, closed and without pulling too hard or too soft on the horse's mouth. And oh yeah, don't forget to look where you're going. Can you remember to do all of this at once while riding a course filled with 15 6-foot jumps and while holding back a horse who's putting at least 30 pounds of pressure and weight into your hands? That is no easy task. People think a sport has to involve a ball or head-on-head contact. What I do involves a 1,200-pound animal, and I ask you this. When was the last time you were asked to make that animal move as if it were a 120-pound ballerina and complete an intricate dance using just your legs? When was the last time you've gone 40 miles per hour towards a solid object head-on? When was the last time you fell 6 feet up going 40 miles per hour, been ran over, stomped down with at least 1,000 pounds of pressure and force, and then just brushed yourself off and gotten right back on? Or try being 13 years old, riding your very first horse, and having that horse take off at full speed. Imagine falling face first into a solid metal fence. Then try having your coach tell you to get right back in the saddle while having your face drip blood. Have you ever been asked to trust an animal 10 times your size who is completely unpredictable and has a mind of its own? Teams help each other to become stronger, and that's your support system. I have my horse, who I must trust with my life. I have an animal with a mind, body, and soul of its own who with one wrong turn could kill me. I am tired of being told that it's easy and that I do nothing but sit there. I am tired of being laughed at when I tell people what I do. I am tired of having to explain myself to people who just don't want to listen. What I do isn't easy and it takes a heck of a lot of courage and skill. You asked me to write about something I believe in. This is not only something I believe in, but I know. I believe horseback riding deserves way more respect than what it is given, and I believe people need to understand how difficult it is to do what I do every single day.